اگر ایک شخص چاہتا ہو کہ اس کے بچے زیادہ ہوں لیکن اس کی بیگم جو ہے مانتی نہ ہو تو پھر کس طرح اس کا حل نکالنا چاہیے؟
پھر انسان کو دوسری شادی کر دینی چاہیے. بیگم کو تو زبردستی تکلیف نہیں دی جا سکتی. اور آپ کو تو کافی بچے ہو چکے ہیں. کتنے بچے ہو گئے ہیں ان کے پوچھیں؟ How many children have you got?
3.5.
Pardon?
ایک ابھی آنے والا ہے.
اچھا,
چوتھا آ رہا ہے.
Enough is enough.
Actually, this is not my question, but
All right.
alhamdulillah, it's not my problem.
But anyway, if somebody wants more children, he should marry another woman. In Nigeria and in Africa, other countries, the children born to a woman are so many that you will be amazed to hear. Once my wife, she was alive then, asked me in Nigeria to pray for a woman, for a child. She wants a child badly and she wants me to tell you to pray. So I inquired from her, how many children has she got, or has she no child? She went and asked her and came back laughing and told me she has got 18 children already. And she is asking you to pray for the 19th. So it depends on how many children do you want. But this is not your question, eh? Somebody else has asked you. Right.